position. Some great things on these boats. One is the beam. They're a good 12.5 foot beam, which gives you exceptional space in the main living areas and on the deck area. A lot of 38, 37 foot boats are about a foot narrower, so that makes a big difference. The other thing is the helm position here. There's room for 2 people. So if you're cruising down the coast, as I have done on these before, it's very comfortable, very relaxed. Your partner can sit here, or if you want a bit more vision, you can sit up, lean against the bolster. One thing about all sports cruisers is because the angle of the window, you do get a lot of glare off the glass from the dash. It's one of my pet hates, but I used to simply just get a dark towel, throw it over the dash. Alternatively, you could have a dark dash mat made up, which will make your driving so much more comfortable. So at the moment there's a bit of glare through there, so you tend to want to stand up. These boats run very level, so if you can get rid of that glare, it's just a very comfortable driving position here. The other thing is, with a 3800 Mustang, access to the foredeck. A lot of sport cruisers, you have to clamber around the side. The rails, there's not many rails that you can put on a soft top. So with this boat, you simply open up the windscreen, slide the door shut. You've got a couple of steps up onto the bow. So if you need to get up to the bow to release the anchor lanyard, easy to do.